Hi guys, welcome to our show. So today we're gonna color our volcano right here. We have yellow. And then we have red. And then we have some like gray blackish.
That is a weird color, huh? Kind of like it. Okay, cool. Let's get to coloring.
Okay, let's get to coloring.
So I think the lava are those little things going down right here. So those should be red and yellow. So let's start with the red.
How do you like do this? Hi guys, so the paint's all dry and now we're gonna do the eruption.
Eruption time! Woo! Okay, we're back with all of our supplies. We have water and our eruption is getting ready to go. So Gwen, go ahead and start pouring a little bit of water on top and our volcano should erupt. Could do a little more. Whoa!
Bubble.
Keep
Whoa!
pouring. You want to get your volcano eruption to be great?
Yeah.
Ooh, that was pretty
It's erupting. You one more time again. Again. Okay, try. Okay, Tracy. Let's do that again. Whoa! Yes. The girl lowers her face.
What do you think?
Good. That was so much fun, guys. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up to us and make sure you subscribe. Bye. Oh, it's